The pace of business is ever increasing, requiring constant reassessment of your business plans. This offers an unprecedented opportunity for companies that can move faster and smarter than the competition. Companies that can stay on top of market trends can evaluate options faster, make key decisions sooner, and pivot more quickly. Anaplan makes it all possible. We believe in planning for all people, anywhere. We call it connected planning. It's a state where technology systems are connected and bring in the right data, where people collaborate within and across business functions, and where you are in the driver's seat, making better choices to accelerate business value. Our unified cloud platform brings together people, data, and plans across your enterprise. And Hyperblock, our patented in-memory calculation engine, delivers the speed and agility you need for more effective planning than ever before. Anaplan delivers multidimensional scale and optimization capabilities with a click of a button. Instead of spending time on data collection and internal coordination, everyone communicates in real time, turning plans into results. As advanced and predictive analytics and machine learning turn what if into what's next. Decision makers are empowered with the right information at the right time, driving the what's next conversation and making strategic execution a reality. Global enterprises across all industries use Anaplan to help reduce time to value, fix operational inefficiencies, and decrease business risks and costs. They've implemented connected planning to break down the silos created through legacy and point product technologies, gain valuable insights from all their business data, and make faster, better decisions. With connected planning, companies are more efficient and more competitive than ever before. There is a better way to plan. Anaplan.